Alright guys, crikey, you're a way off there, aren't you? Perhaps I should have zoomed in a bit. Anyway, I'm having hot dogs today, and I thought I'd show you how I make my fairground onions. Nice and gooey and sticky, not the crispy, burnt, horrible, charcoaly things you normally get. Anyways, right then. Okay then, so here we are, slicing the onions prior to cooking. Anyone can slice an onion, it's easy, isn't it? But how many people know that there's two ways to slice an onion? If you go around the onion, then it breaks into little pieces, like that. But if you cut it up and down the onion, so root to stem, you get big long pieces that don't break, and that's exactly what we need for hot dog onions. Okay then, so on with the cooking. Butter, 25 grams or so, big knob. And as soon as the onions are all coated, we're going to add some brown sugar. And I'm using light muscovado this time. I have seen people use marmalade. I tried it once, but I found it a little bit too sweet for me. But there you are, you know. It's your onions, you do what you want, you know. Okay then, so the onions are coated with butter. They're cooking. We're trying to caramelise them, not fry them really. We don't want them all burnt, you know. A few more ingredients: Liam Pemmon, Worcestershire sauce, not Worcester sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and some cracked black pepper. Black pepper. No salt. Don't need salt in it. Okay then, so the onions are coated with butter by now. They started cooking, they started sweating down. So let's get the sugar in, whatever sugar you're using. Like I said, I'm using light muscovado this time. That's a dessert spoon, which is 2 teaspoons in the old measures. You don't use them these days, do they, dessert spoons? There, swiftly followed by the black pepper and a good few dollops of Worcestershire sauce. You can put what you want in really, you know, garlic, puree, chili flakes, chili oil, mustard. Mustard works very well actually in onions. And all you got to do now is cook them on down for about 15 minutes or so. Keep an eye on them. Give them a stir now and again, and if you have to, add a drop of water. With this lot, I had to put about a quarter of a cup of water in to keep them moist. You're trying to steam them and boil them rather than fry them, you know what I mean? You've already got the flavours in there, so there's no need to make any more. Well, there you go then, that's all done. That'll keep in the fridge for a week or so. But tonight, they're going to join my Cosmopolitan hot dogs. Bavarian frankfurters, American Monterey Jack cheese, Polish pickled cucumber, my own chili, and hot dog rolls from the bakery down the road. Right, today's Digwell Spills the Beans tip is a food one. I'm doing hot dogs. When you get your hot dog and you've got all your accompaniments, haven't you? Put them in first. Put your chilli in, put your cheese in, put your onions in, and put your frankfurter on top. That way, when you eat the thing, you don't get it all over your face and it doesn't spill everywhere.